Hi, I'm Ruben Maharana and I work as an associate consultant at EMC.
Give us an idea of what all you have been working on inside EMC.
Okay, so the program which I was selected for is the GSAP program, which stands for Global Services Associate Program. So this involves a rigorous training of around 3 months. So you'll be trained in technologies such as Java, Core Java, Spring, and Advanced Java, Python, your NoSQL databases, and Hadoop, and basically any latest technology that will be useful in the future for the company. So that you have to go through a rigorous training, and also during this you'll be having case studies which you have to fulfill and show your capability, what you've learned in these courses. So after this amount of time, after 3 months, you'll be put into projects and use cases. So what I have worked on is a project on data analytics and visualization. As I told you, that set me apart in the interview. So in that, what I did was a stock market prediction, basically what prices it would be based on the trend and future forecasting. So that way you have to train models and then predict the future prices of stock markets. So that was one. And the most recent one which I'm doing is something related to IoT, where we take values from various sensors in particular offices and help them optimize their resources, and some amount of prediction took place. So during this, you'll also be using visualization. So this is to actually show your bar charts and flow diagrams and basically the UI. So it is an end-to-end process.
So, Ruben, how do you see yourself growing in terms of skills and experience while working at EMC?
So my skills have seen a large improvement from the time I was in college. Basically, you'll learn a lot of technologies, new technologies and emerging technologies that they basically bridge the gap between your college and your office experience. So that huge gap is actually filled by the program which I previously told, as in the GSAP program. So they give you a 3 months rigorous training where you learn a huge amount of new skills which will be required for your enterprise work. And personality wise, there are these mentor connects, and you talk to your buddies, and they actually mold you on how you should perceive office environments, and how to improve your communication skills, because you have, along with these technical programs, you also have non-technical skills which you can develop, as in there are these courses of non-emotional intelligence and of that sort, which you can always go and attend to improve your personality. So it is on the whole, they improve your personality as such, technically and non-technically.